Ayan. So, we're gonna throw out all your stuff that you left inside.
Guys,
To
pwede
rot.
nakatapon.
Deadly weapon. Ayan. Ayan. Pwede na siguro yan, oh. Buksan mo na lang. Oh, wala naman siguro kakain yan, di ba?
Wait lang.
Let's throw na.
Oh my God, may kakain pa ba nito? Oh my God, nagmo-mold na ba yan?
Hindi, ano yan? Ay!
Why does it
Bakit
look dark?
nag-curdle? Para siyang egg na nag-curdle. Sorry, nag-break. Oh, proof. Nag-break yung ano.
Guys, gusto niyo pa ng fish? It's been here for like a month na ba? Or 2 weeks?
Ay,
Yeah,
oh, that's gross.
that?
What's that? Hindi, parang fish. Fish siya na may alamang.
Pink!
Ayoko amoyin. Parang molds na yun, oh. Yan, oh. Di ba mold na yan?
Yuck!
Okay. Sige.
Okay, we're throwing it all away.
Ano pa? Yung dried out lemon.
Ay, kanina tong Dunkin' Donuts na to.
I think that's Roselle's.
Etong banana. Tigas na rin.
Lagay mo sa side. Pipicturean natin, tapos sasend natin siya sa Agoda Film. Like, oh, dear guys, yon, parang feeling ko molds yun.
Oh my God.
Mukha ba?
Hindi naman.
Ay, hindi naman. Ay, gross. Ay, no.
Ew.
Diba molds na yan?
Yeah.
Diba?
You can throw it away. Ito.
Dear everyone. Pwede pang pigain, sayang. Lagay mo na lang siya doon. Lagay mo kasama-sama, tapos akin na yung dalawang platito. Akin na yung... Nauusi si Jella eh.
It's my fault. It's all my fault.
Yan. Tapos yung Tupperware, I'll just take a photo.
So,
Ayan, may space na.
so cluttered.
Ay, ayun, tapo mo yun. 5 buwan na yata nasa loob. Yung nasa likod, yung chocolate na ewan.
Oh my God. Ano to?
Ayan no, ito, I don't think they're gonna eat that anymore.
Oh my God!
Ay, hindi, ice cream.
Wala na, hindi na matanggal yung spoon.
Ay, yan lang tapon mo. Yan, tapos iwan mo yan. Okay, we've thrown out stuff.